How to make passive income while you sleep, beginner friendly. Powerful hook. What if your bank account grew while you slept? No boss. No deadlines. Just real money, showing up day after day without you clocking in. That's the power of passive income. In this video, I'll show you 7 beginner-friendly ways to make passive income, even if you're starting with $0. These are real, proven strategies that work in 2025, not some outdated tricks. So grab your notebook or just hit save, because we're about to change your mindset, and maybe even your life. Title card: 7 Beginner Passive Income Ideas, 2025. What is passive income? First, let's break down what passive income actually is. It's money that continues to flow in after the initial work is done. You build it once, and it pays you over and over again. This is different from active income, like your 9-to-5 job, where if you don't show up, you don't get paid. Passive income examples include dividends, digital products, real estate income, ad revenue, and more. Affiliate marketing. Idea number 1: affiliate marketing. This is one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly passive income methods. You promote someone else's product, and you earn a commission for every sale made through your link. The best part? You don't need to create your own product, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. Popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact.com, Share a Sale. Start by creating content like blog posts, short videos, or reviews around products you love. Place your affiliate link in the description or article. If someone buys, you get paid even while you're asleep. Selling digital products. Idea number 2: digital products. These are things like ebooks, planners, templates, online courses, or Notion dashboards. You create them once and sell them forever. Popular platforms to sell: Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, for planners, printables. For example, someone creates a budgeting spreadsheet and sells it for $5. If 200 people buy it, that's $1,000 in passive income. And it doesn't stop there, it keeps selling. YouTube automation. Idea number 3: faceless YouTube channels. Yes, you can make passive income from YouTube without showing your face. These are called YouTube automation channels. You create videos using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and scripts like this one. Once a video is monetized, it earns you money through ads, affiliate links, and sponsors. Channels about finance, health tips, storytelling, or tech can make thousands even if you're never on camera. YouTube pays creators monthly, and videos can keep earning for months or even years. Dividend stocks. Idea number 4: dividend investing. Some companies pay you just for holding their stock. It's called a dividend. Let's say you invest in Coca-Cola or Apple. Every quarter, they pay out a piece of their profit to shareholders. Start with platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. You won't get rich overnight, but the more you invest, the more your money works for you. It's like owning a slice of the business. Print on demand. Idea number 5: print on demand. You create a design, upload it to a platform like Redbubble or Printful, and they handle everything: printing, shipping, customer service. You only focus on design. Every time someone buys your shirt, mug, or tote bag, you get paid. This is scalable, hands-off, and great for creatives. Selling an ebook. Idea number 6: write and sell an ebook. Think of it as digital real estate. You write it once on a topic you know and sell it forever. Popular niches: fitness and health, finance, productivity, self-help. You can use free tools like Canva or Google Docs to create it and sell it on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Rent out assets, website, gear, etc. Idea number 7: rent out what you already own. Have a camera, microphone, or even a spare room? You can rent them out. Sites like Fat Llama let you rent gear. Turo lets you rent your car. Airbnb helps you rent a room or property. You're turning things you already own into cash without selling them. Start with $0 tools and tips. Most people think you need money to make money. That's a myth. You can start affiliate marketing, YouTube, or digital products for free using Canva, design; CapCut, editing; Google Docs, writing; ChatGPT, scripting and ideas. The only investment required? Your time and commitment. Stack streams and be patient. One stream is good. But stacking 2 or 3? That's financial freedom. Your blog promotes affiliate links. Your YouTube video sells your ebook. Your dividend stock pays you monthly. This is how ordinary people become financially independent, one stream at a time. Final words plus call to action. Which passive income idea are you going to try first? Comment below, I read every one. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more weekly strategies from the Budget Beacon. Because your money should work harder than you do.